Hello class, welcome to week 7. We are finishing up the final 2 weeks of this class. As always, make sure you check the announcement tab here and see if there's anything that I posted that you may have missed. Let's look at week 7. So this week we'll be talking about abnormality, cross-cultural research on abnormal behaviors, culture-bound syndromes, and mental health in ethnic minorities and migrants. So it's important for you to read chapter 11 in our textbook. Preparation here, it talks about make sure that you are reviewing those chapters that we've read here after the midterm. So chapters from 3, 8, 11, 12, 14, and 15 within our textbook are what is going to be included on the final. Now the final is formatted very much so the same way as the midterm exam. So hopefully that will give you a little bit, I don't know, I always find when I was a student in classes that once I took a test from an instructor, I kind of got to know what the next one was going to be like. So hopefully it will give you that and you'll be able to plan accordingly to give yourself enough time and space to be able to study ahead of time. I will be completing an item analysis as I do for all quizzes in the midterm and the final to see if there's certain questions to me that weren't fair. So, make sure you start looking over those chapters again. As you know, you can look back through the chapters, but it's easier if you really have the knowledge fresh in your mind when taking the final examination. So what is due this week? You have your cultural similarities paper that is due at the end of this week. It's worth 100 points, so make sure you submit it on time. You have your discussion board. And make sure you complete your initial posting Thursday by midnight, and you are to respond to at least 2 peers in a substantive nature, asking questions, providing research, additional insights, Sunday by midnight. And then you have your weekly quiz, 25 points, 25 questions. I will be completing the item analysis as I usually do. It's about chapter 11, and this is due Sunday by midnight. So down here you can see if you click on the cultural similarities instructions right here, it will review the assignment. Make sure that you look at the announcement that I posted a few weeks ago. If you have any questions about this assignment, hopefully I covered it there. Down here it talks about instructions as to how to save and submit. Here is the discussion forum for the week and quiz 7. So that is it for this week. In regards to submission for the cultural similarities, you click on the link right there, and you will be able to attach your file and submit it. So you have your discussion board, you have the cultural similarities paper that is due this week, and then quiz number 7. Please let me know if you have any questions. We're rounding the final turn. I just look forward to the time that we continue to have together, and I really hope that you've been enjoying this class. Thank you.